on, there's no time. So you who is watching me, as I explained to you earlier on, you are owing a company. Just give a call and there's no time. So I just want to prove to you that people are lying. People are doing magic tricks. People are doing what is not necessary. Telling people lies that you can do this without doing it is never a medicine. Telling, doing people magic, showing people your fastness. Me, I don't do that. I, Nana Konte Motia, I'm doing my real things because I believe in the devil and the devil never disappoints me. So today, I will call the devil here and people will see that yes, the devil exists. I am the messenger of the devil. So I don't waste time. I wanted to prove to you that people normally come out with a pot, put paper on the pot, cover it. As you are watching, people normally create a hole here, putting some things under the pot. As you're watching me, I don't do that. I Nana Konte Motia. Just look at it. Look at it. Nothing. I'm going to prove to you that the devil exists. So you who is watching me, I just want to prove to you, I just want to do something small for you to understand that the devil exists. So you just watch out and see what I'm going to prove to you. Look at it. Look at it. As I'm putting something small to let you understand that the medicine exists, that the evil exists, my brothers and sisters, I am not the fake madam that you have been seeing. I'm not the fake pastor that you went and he deceived you. I'm not the fake priest that you went and he said he's going to do more trouble for you. No, the quick money pot is here. As I want to prove to you, if you come and collect the ritual pot, this is how it works for you. Just look at me and see me commanding the airwaves of money, airwaves of rituals is from me. I am chanting to call dollars from the west, from the east, from south and north. American US dollars that I'm mentioned to see it physically. For anybody who is seeing me, that all his problems are solved. Haza Kamacha, Haza Kabacha, Haza Kabacha, Haza Kabacha, Sakarba Hindu Mahindu Police Kontuna Alas Baranda, Nekerba, power to Isa, I control it. Today, I'm calling American dollars for every hustler, every big man in America, every big man in US, every big man in abroad who is suffering. Today, it has come to end. Sakar Bahindu Mahindu Police Kontuna Alas Baranda, Concha Mocha, Contambrantam, Concha Mocha, Contambrantam, Janko American Nafas Canbra, Sakar Bahindu Mahindu Police Kontuna Alas Nekerba, 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 Nekerba. My brother, as you can see, what did I show you? I show you an empty pot. I just want you to understand that money exists, powers exist. I believe in the devil, and as I promise you, come to me and all your problems will solve. I'm not the kind of madam who just went and bring you those nyamanya things, my brother. Just look at me, Nana Konte Motia. I'm proving to you, come to me and all your problems will be solved. Run, don't wait, just pick up the number on the screen. Come to Nana Konte Motia, my brother. Oh, today I'm cleaning your tears. Nana Konte Motia. Konte Motia, my brother. My brother, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting? Do you want the pastor to lie to you? Or you want that fake priest to lie to you? You want that fake madam to lie to you? Pick up my number. Nana Konte Motia is out to clean your tears. Nana Konte Motia is out to remove you from that debt. I'm here to solve the bank problem that you are facing. 10 years, you don't have documents. Nana Konte Motia, my brother, I'm proving to you that the spirit exists. I, the number one, the original one, Nana Konte Motia. Just look at me, my brother. What are you waiting for? Pick up the number. Pick up my number and all your problems are solved. Look at me. About why? What are you waiting for? The fake madam that you want them to lie to you? Or the fake pastor who are doing money problem which cannot help? Just call me. Nana Konte Motia. This is my numbers on the screen. Pick up the numbers. Nana Konte Motia. Nana Konte Motia. Sakre Bahindu Mahindu Police Kontuna Alas Banda. Nekreba. Power to Isa. Run. Don't wait. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? My brother, just come. Oh, my brother, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You want me to lie to you? They will tell you money double. You go, buy this, buy this. It has come to an end. Come and collect the ritual pot. As you know, what did I put inside? I'm proving to you that the devil exists. So my brother and sister, just pick up the number and call me. And the time is not permitted for me. So you who is watching for me, if I mention what is worrying you or I didn't mention it, all you need is just to pick up the number. If you call me, and inshallah, my brother, just give a call and all your problems will be solved. So I thank you, whoever who is watching my program, either you are in Ghana, you're outside Ghana, you're owing the bank, they are rushing to collect your property. It's all over. Just look at it, my brother. What do you want and come by? What do you want? Is it pounds? Just give him a call. And inshallah, all your problems will be solved. So you who is watching me, this is not a joke.